I'm very curious about this $2 optical mouse with RGB lighting. It seems to have all the features of a more expensive mouse. It's from a company called Spacer. I believe it's a Romanian company, manufacturing in China probably. So it has an ergonomic design, yes, like all mice. USB plug and play, Windows 10, and one resolution, so you can't switch it. Wired USB mouse. RGB! Wired gaming mouse. Okay, let's see what it says on the side. Plug and play, simple to install, easy use, gaming, it's solid construction, blah 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 blah. Breathing RGB LED. Okay. And it works on Windows 7, 8, 10 and Mac, allegedly. Doesn't mention Linux or Android. Yeah, that we should note. And some advertisement on the back. Yes, it has an LED, it has a wheel, it has a USB plug, it is rugged. We'll see about that after dropping it a few times. And yeah. This is kind of funny. Oh, yeah, it's okay. No. Never mind. Yeah. Just basic specs. Royal Computers, SRL. From Romania. Spacer.ro. And it has a Romanian number. 594, that's Romanian. But it's made in China. Okay, let's open it up. Oh, it's not even sealed. Yeah. Nice USB cable, typical for cheap products. And I have to say, this feels kind of nice. It's just hard plastic. Yeah. The top is yeah, rubberized. That will suck. That becomes soft in time. The feet, are they just plastic? Yep. These are just plastic. Yep, that's plastic. And power consumption, whatever. Office use, made in China, whatever. Yeah, so this is all plastic, some rubber on top. The wheel is also just plastic. And let's see, let's plug it in. Undo the cord. Plug it in. Okay, it's recognized on the computer. This is funny. So the blue seems to be on all the time, and then sometimes the red appears when you move the mouse. Is that how it works? It's not breathing. It's just... yeah, that's funny. But whatever, I don't really care. So it's a red LED. It uses the red LED, not an invisible one. I don't think it really matters that much. Yeah. But overall, let me see if I don't click anything bad. So the clicks, kind of nice. The scroll wheel kind of loud, but I don't really use that anyway. The scrolling, that's typical. Kind of nice for a cheap mouse. It seems actually okay. It is sliding relatively well. Yeah, ergonomic shape. I would have to call it that. Very impressed for $2.